In front of me is Motorola Moto G56, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now click on this microphone at the top right corner. If it's not visible, hit this gear icon. Select voice typing and use this switcher to activate it by clicking on gray one. When your switcher is blue, go back to your keyboard and click on No Visible Microphone. Then choose while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone. You can also tap on your microphone and click on tiny icon right next to it. Then hit next. Select Done and operate voice typing from this toolbar. You can hold your toolbar and move it around to place it wherever you want to, whenever you want to. If you want to delete text on the go, use this icon with an X. If you want to access some of voice typing options, click on those three lines on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, hit keyboard icon, also on the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!